Welcome to the topic Critical Success Factor, also known as CSFs. This is Professor Ashish Mitra from Gurgaon. Critical success factors are those features or that is factors of a product or service that are particularly and highly valued by a group of customers belonging to a specific segment. These features or factors often form the basis for customers' choice at the time of buying. Therefore, if a firm in that specific segment wants to outperform competition, it has to be competent in some or most of the critical success factors, but must excel in some to outperform competitors in that segment. Understanding of the CSFs of customer or the segment to which they belong is of crucial importance in competitive strategy making. Without that understanding, creating competitive advantage for a firm would be very difficult. The firm would not know what capabilities the firm needs to further build on in order to be successful or lead or even survive in a specific segment of an industry. I'll take up the hatchback small car segment in India to illustrate the concept of CSF. Buyers in the hatchback small car segment in India are mostly those who are buying their first car or are upgrading themselves from a scooter or motorcycle ownership. They are persons with very modest means. Besides the purchase price being low, they particularly value the following features when choosing a car. First is low cost, low fuel consumption. In fact, kitni deti hai is often the first question they ask. Easy availability of service, repair facility nearby, so that in case of problems, they don't have to run around or take it far away. Easy availability of low cost spares, so that even if the car breaks down on the road, the defective parts can be replaced. Finally, a good resale value when they may sell the car after a few years. Knowing what customers value most, top CSFs for car manufacturers in hatchback low cost segment seems to be: first is low cost. This needs widespread dealer network to make buying easy, attract and entice customers and build high sales volume. Second obviously is low cost consumption, low fuel consumption. Third, widespread service repair center network and easy availability of low cost but not fake spares. Even if the car breaks down on the road far away in a semi-rural area, it is available. Maruti seems to have met and excelled in the CSFs mentioned just now. Low cost, it has most economical cars which have been aided by the economy of scale due to its large sales volume, helped by its widespread dealer network and efficient manufacturing plants. Low fuel cost because it uses efficient combustion technology, widespread service repair network. No other car manufacturer has come close to Maruti on this factor. Even on the road to Leh, you can find Maruti service centers. Easy availability of low cost but genuine spare parts. Now Maruti has built up authorized repair shops every nook and corner in the country. This ensures repair with genuine parts, and due to economy of scale, parts are available at reasonably low cost. Again, no other car manufacturer come close to Maruti on this factor. Why Maruti is the leader in this segment? Due to its competence in meeting all CSFs and excelling in most CSFs, Maruti is the undisputed leader in this segment. Because of excelling on the CSFs, it is also the most sought after car in resale or second-hand car market. Thus, it meets customers' need of high resale value as well. I like to again reiterate that different industries or segments will have different critical success factors. Example, in low-cost airlines, the top CSFs will be value for money, low fare, and punctuality. Whereas in the full-service airlines, it is all about excellence in quality of service. For supermarkets like Walmart, Big Bazaar, etc., the top CSFs would be low price, one-stop shopping, ease of access. They achieve or excel through their resources, which are wide product range, convenient store location, huge scale of operation, etc. And their competence, namely knowledge of merchandising, skill of low-cost procurement, optimizing operational cost, and computerized supply chain systems. In summary, I would say an industry or segment CSFs are those that most affect industry members' ability to prosper in the market. CSFs, by their nature, are important to all firms in that industry or segment. Determining the industry's CSF is a top priority for strategy making. A sound strategy incorporates efforts to be competent on all or most of the industry CSFs and to excel on at least one factor. CSF for a segment or industry at any point of time should not be more than 5 or so in numbers. If too many, then a firm will have difficulty on focusing on them. Hope you have understood importance of CSFs. Thank you.